Technique number 21 is the Kimura. Your objective is to end the fight with a submission, in this case the Kimura shoulder lock. In this technique, you're not in any immediate danger, as this is a safe position and you are on the offensive. The technique. As you pull your opponent toward you while he is in your guard, he plants his left hand on the mat near your hip or side. You will break open your guard and place both feet flat on the mat and push your butt away from your opponent. As you break your guard, you'll also reach over with your right hand and control his wrist. As you sit up and into your opponent, you'll reach over his left shoulder with your left arm. Reach over your left arm, around his left arm, and inside his left elbow, grasping your own wrist with a monkey grip. Sit back hard toward your left shoulder while hipping out to the right at the same time. Confirm his elbow to your chest and keep his arm bent at a right angle. Hip out a little more. This will get your opponent to the ground. Now place your right leg across his back, keeping him from rolling out of the arm lock. Hug his arm tight to your chest and torque his arm toward his head for the submission. Some common mistakes. Number one, you don't hip out far enough to get your opponent's face to the ground. And number two, you don't secure the arm in tight at a 90-degree angle. Technique number 22 is the hip over sweep. Your objective is to sweep your opponent and get to a better position. Your immediate danger is he pushes you back down to the mat. The technique. If you try for the Kimura and he leans forward to bear hug you, stay posted on your right hand, keeping your left arm across his face and over his left shoulder to confirm his arm at the elbow. Now plant your left foot hard into the mat with your left leg up close to your butt at a 90-degree angle. Hip up and over toward your right, rolling him over. Now you will end up in the mounted position. Some common mistakes. Number one, you don't effectively confirm his arm at the elbow. And number two, you don't push hard enough for the legs and hips. And then another mistake is you post on your elbow and not your hand, losing some of your leverage.